Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily download Twitch Vods, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. Okay, so first things first, you have to go to your Twitch homepage, which is basically this one, and then go on the top right, click on your profile icon here, and then click right here on Video Producer. And once you click that, it should take you here, and then all your saved VODs are already here listed, so I just took this quick test stream right here. So in order to download this, just click on it, and then as you can see on the top here, there's download right there. So just click that, and then it'll say preparing. Wait for that for a bit, and it'll automatically download for you. As you can see, it's already downloading for me, and voila, there you go. And yeah, it does save as an MP4 as well, so that's way easier for you. But if you do want to download the VODs of other streamers or other content creators, what you can do is just basically use any recording software such as OBS, and then go to their stream and then just start recording the part that you want to download, and make sure that you do have their permission as well. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.